Hey everyone, my name is Ishan. This is Gadgets 360, and here's our first look at HP Pavilion X360. So let's get started.
The HP Pavilion X360 is a sleek laptop with an aluminium chassis that weighs 1.41 kg. It is only available in a pale rose gold color option. It can be used like a regular laptop as well as a tablet after rotating the display 360 degrees. It features a 14-inch multi-touch Full HD display with a peak brightness of 250 nits. The laptop can be configured with up to an Intel Core i5-1335U processor with onboard Intel Iris Xe graphics and comes with 16 GB of soldered RAM. This laptop looks and feels quite premium with the pale rose gold treated backlit keyboard. The trackpad too feels quite responsive. The HP Pavilion X360 comes equipped with a 1TB SSD and runs Windows 11 Home. The wide array of ports are located on either side of the laptop. This includes one USB Type-C port, two USB Type-A ports, one headphone and microphone combo port, one power port, a card reader, and one HDMI 2.1 port. The laptop features a 5-megapixel webcam and is powered by a 3-cell 43 Wh battery. The HP Pavilion X360 is priced starting at Rs 57,999 in India.
That's it for this video. Do let us know what you think about HP Pavilion X360 in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.